Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you that easy and unisex beanie. You can adapt that every size and every type which you want. You can make it like multicolor, or you can make it different colors in different rounds, or make you only one color for men. It's adaptable every type which you want. It's an alternative to Christmas gift. I think it's so simple and you can make it easily. So it's a perfect gift, I think. It's so clear looking. You can see the top of the beanie. And we start different type of starting. I give all the details. But if you have any questions, please leave me comments. I love to read your comments. Thanks for your support and thanks for your time. If you're ready, we can start the crochet our unisex simple beanie. Let's start the crochet. I will use in my beanie yarn bee soft and slick love peel fiber, and it's 186 yards, and that color name is Coral 946. And it's recommend us using 6mm hook, and I will use 6mm too. This nearly 114 grams and it's 170 meters nearly, 100% of love peel acrylic. That size is for medium, and you can wash it in 30 degrees. Do not ironing. Do not put in dry machine. It's so soft. I love that very much. You can find a blanket in my videos with that yarn. It's color violet. It's so soft blanket. You can choose your blanket that yarn. I think it's beautiful. We will start our beanie from the bottom of that, but we not making chains. Okay, we will start different type. I want to take you more closer. We will make a slip knot. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and insert into the first one. Grab the yarn and pull that. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over. Insert into that bottom of that second double. Grab the yarn and pull it. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into that third doubles bottom. Grab the yarn and pull. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into last stitch bottom. You have see 2 loops. Grab the yarn and lose that loop. Pull through 2, pull through 2. We will make that double crochet in that way, and we will repeat that until that doubles turn all around our head. Pull that, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into here, lose it, pull through 2, pull through 2. I will keep crocheting, finish that and turn to you and tell you how many double crochet I made. Okay, yarn over, insert the last doubles bottom in that 2 stitch, grab the yarn and pull it, don't forget that, pull through 2, pull through 2. Repeat that. Pull, pull through 2, pull through 2. I repeat that, finish and turn to you. I complete my doubles. I made 60 and I want to measure that for you. That's 50 centimeter. Why 50? Because our pattern, rib pattern, and it gets more closer and more tight to our head. So if you normally it's enough are 45-46 centimeter. When you make your double crochets 44, 45, 46, you can add more doubles on it, for example 3 or 4, and complete that with 48-49 centimeter. You will make your double crochets 3 centimeter more, which size enough your head. Okay, because our pattern is rib. Now finish that, you know, control my doubles, not turning here. Insert into the top of that first chain 3. I insert and join with a slip stitch. Of course, you can start with chains and make a doubles after on it here. Then we sew that together. Okay. Chain 1 and not count that. Yarn over and insert into first double like that. Grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over and insert into second from the back to front, then back. Grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the third one like that. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Insert the fourth one, back, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we make one front, one back, one front, one back. I complete that round and turn to you. I complete first round and insert into the first front post and join with a single crochet. You have to be more careful that first round. It can be twist easily. Okay. Chain 1 and not count, yarn over and make a front post on the front post. Make a back post on the back post. We will crochet like that. I crochet my beanie. After turn to you and we close the top of that beanie. It's so easy. Make a front post on the front post. Make a back post on the back post. Okay, I complete mine and turn to you. I crocheted totally 15 rounds, and 15 rounds is nearly 17 centimeters here. We crochet 2 more rows for the closing, so the size is enough for us. Now we start to decrease the top. Chain 1 and make first front post double crochet, not count that. In that round we not crochet that back post, we crochet only front post. So we decrease the stitch number half. Okay, not crochet that, crochet front post. Not crochet back post, skip that, and crochet front post. Not crochet, crochet front post. I turn all around and turn to you. I finish that round, skip that last back post, insert into the top of that front post. Now chain 1 and not count, yarn over, insert into the first stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the second one, pull through 2, pull through all together. Yarn over, insert into the next, pull through, yarn over, insert into the next, pull through all together. we crochet 2 stitch together and get more closer our Beanie's top. Okay, crochet 2 stitch together with front post. I complete and turn to you. I come at the end of that round, yarn over, insert the stitch, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the last stitch, pull through 2, pull through all together and insert here. That's close, but one more time, chain 1, yarn over, insert that stitch, pull through 2, insert the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through all together. Crochet 2 stitch together in that round again. Yarn over, insert the next one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the next one, pull through 2, pull through all together. Pull through 2, pull through all together. I complete that and turn to you. I complete and join with a slip stitch, then lose my loop and cut my yarn. Insert that stitch, that tail, then insert that tail in that loop and shrink the top tightly. Look at here, we close that. Take that yarn inside, you can use here a needle, you will crochet, make it so. And now we will join that together. I insert the last stitch bottom and take that yarn here. Again insert here. And we get 2 sides together. Like that. We finish our beanie. It's so elastic, you can see that. And I think it's unisex. You can make it different colors for man, child or woman. You can adapt that every size, and we start different type and you can see that clear looking. I love that, and it's so easy. You can make it in 2 hours maybe. It's a perfect gift. Hope you will try and like that. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can see the top of that beanie. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.